Alright, Grant, here's your girl, Hope. This is an upland session by myself. So you won't get to see the finishing part of it because I gotta kick the bird up. But if you can watch Hope, you notice I probably won't say much to her. Okay. This is bird one. There she goes. She's a good distance off from that bird.